Everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how to access the game data on iPhone 16 Pro Max or iOS 18.2. So first you need to find out the file folder just like this on your application. It will look like this. You just need to go over here, and then there's an option here, browse. You can check it over. It's this option, browse, and then you can see it is showing that on my iPhone or iCloud. You need to go to the on my iPhone. You can see here's an app you mine where the data of an application or game or any data within the game or application stored will be displayed over here. And if you want to save that data to the iCloud, you can just simply check it over, is it available or not. If not, then you can go and transfer your data from your phone iCloud to from your phone to iCloud. So thank you very much. Until next video, bye bye.